Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer glasses Gen 1 edition. So I got these smart glasses from Target on sale for $246.75. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking these glasses out, but before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. This is the Gen 1 edition. This model in particular is the Wayfarer Gen 1 edition. This is the matte black polarized gradient graphite. Here it comes with the glasses, charging case, and a cleaning cloth. Here on this side of the box, here's what the Wayfarer looks like, and here's the rest of the information on this side of the box. This also comes with the shiny black and green lenses, but I got the matte black polarized gradient graphite lens. And here's the back side of the box. So the back side of the box tells you that the Ray-Ban Meta collection features the camera, open ear audio, and pairs with the companion app that allows you to edit and share your content that you can capture from these smart glasses. Here's the rest of the information. So you can download the app off of Google Play or the App Store on your Apple device. And with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer Gen 1 glasses. So here you have this pull tab. Really like the presentation from Ray-Ban Meta. Here you can listen, call, or live stream from these glasses as the introduction as you unbox it. Here's what the unboxing looks like after you pull the pull tab. Really love the sleek presentation. And here you have your Ray-Ban Meta charging case, and here you can listen, call, live stream, and you can scan the QR code to get started. And let's go ahead and see what we have here. Here's a closer look at these the charging case for your Ray-Ban Metas. We'll take a look at that later. And let's go ahead and explore what we have in this compartment. Here's the QR code you want to scan to get started. And all you have to do is use your fingers and pull all the materials out. And that's it for this side. And on this end here, this comes with a Ray-Ban cleaning cloth for your glasses. So pretty unique and sleek presentation. Really love the unboxing experience here. And with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at the reading materials. So to start off, here's the Ray-Ban Meta Get Started Guide. So this is basically a quick start guide for your Meta glasses, as you can see right there. And here this comes with the diagram of where are the things located, such as your power switch, capture button, camera, touchpad, and your capture LED, along with your speakers, microphones, and a notification LED. Here you can scan that QR code if you have any questions about your glasses. Here on this side, you can scan this QR code to get started, which allows you to download the app, and you can use the pull tab. And this says how you would charge it. This comes with USB-C charging. And here's the indicator lights of what level of charge you are on. So here, want your AI glasses with prescription lenses that is available to you. You can scan another QR code, too many QR codes to scan for this unboxing. And here is all the rest of the information, such as your safety and warranty. And yeah, so yeah, at least it comes with a Ray-Ban Meta branded cleaning cloth for your Meta glasses. Pretty cool. So up next is your Ray-Ban Meta charging case. Here's the USB-C port in order to charge the charging case. Here's what the back side looks like, and here I believe that there's a button to sync this up with your phone on the app. And really like the build quality here, and I like how the LED indicator lights up, knowing it is fully charged. So let's go ahead and take out the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Really like the presentation here. So I believe that this is what these prongs or these magnets is what charges these Meta glasses. Let's go ahead and put the case to the side. And here's the glasses itself, the Wayfarer. This is the Gen 1 Wayfarer edition. These are the matte black polarized radiant graphite. Here you have your camera lenses. And here's our other camera lens, and one of them shows an LED indicator. Here on this side here you have the Ray-Ban branding, and on this side of the frame is where you control your Meta glasses. So here's what the interior of the glasses looks like. Pretty cool. And yeah, I really love the build quality from Ray-Ban Meta of these Wayfarers. So as you can see, let's go ahead and take out our phone and sync this up using the Meta AI glasses that I have here. And let's go ahead and link the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 1. It's an easy setup. All you have to do is to follow instructions on the app and use your Ray-Ban Meta cases. And it is important that you do not lose your case, since this is part of the setup for your Ray-Ban Meta glasses. If you want to link this to your phone, and like I did here, all you have to do is hold the button until the indicator light is on. And once you have your glasses, you can pair this glass with your mobile device. So, learn the basics. Let's go ahead and put on our glasses. So let's go ahead and remove it from the case and try these glasses on. So here's what the Ray-Ban Meta glasses look like on myself. Here, these have built-in speakers that is built inside the frame. Tap once to play some music, and here's the audio test at 50%. And that's how loud it is at 50%. And here you have the button. Push once to take a picture, or hold down the button if you want to record some content that can record up to a minute. And yeah, so that is the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. So that will do it for the unboxing of the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, the Wayfarer Gen 1 edition. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about these glasses. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. I'll see you on next one.